Hello, my name is Nathan Leahy, the Field Service and Sales Engineer for Weldability SIF, responsible for the building, testing and repair of our welding units, welding fume extraction units and our air monitoring device, the ProtectoScan EDI. What I'm going to show you today is how to upgrade the service status of your ProtectoScan EDI in case it's gone over its 365-day service period. Usually an engineer would be sent out to do this, but you can actually do this yourself if you get the replacement sensors sent down to you. So this video covers the software side of things, but prior to this you will need to remove the old sensor from the box using the service manual that we can send to you, and then replace the sensors with the new ones that are provided, and keep the service sensor code card that is in the box with you so that you can update this using the following guide. So the first thing we're going to do is we need to connect to our ProtectoScan EDI. This will either be on your wireless network or you'll be using it as a standalone device, so you'll need to connect to it. The first thing we're going to do is go enter, and we're just going to go into settings, and up here we can see the days until calibration. If this has got a minus setting, then you will need to either replace the sensors, or if the unit is brand new, then you'll need to get a service code from us to get it reset back to normal. So the first thing we need to do is we're going to go to the IP address of the unit, which by default is 192.168.2.1, and then we're going to put a / and just type in service. So what you will get is it will ask you for a service code. In order to get this service code, we need to go to the service.extractability.net website, and this is where you will need your original service code that comes with your brand new set of sensors. So click on generate service code. The first thing we need is that very long set of numbers from the service code card in the box, and we'll just paste it in here. Then it will ask you for the device ID. This device ID is the numbers after the ProtectoScan-EDI. So this particular unit's device ID is 00291. So we're going to put that in here. Don't put in your email address, otherwise it won't work at present. So we're just going to put in the sensor ID and the device ID. We will then generate a service code, and we will need to copy this, and you need to keep this safe because now we've used this sensor ID, it will never work again. It's been used up, so we'll need to copy and paste this into a notepad file or something like that. But for now, I'm going to paste it directly into this unit here. Now, before we click perform service, the first thing we want to do is click reset days until calibration. You can also, if you're having issues with your device, click the reset to factory defaults option, and if you want to start the unit fresh with no prior data, you can click delete measuring data as well, and then it will start as if it's a brand new machine. Then all you need to do is click perform service, and the service has been performed successfully. All you need to do now is turn the device off and on again, reconnect to it, and then you'll see that the 365 days at the top of your settings page has gone back to 0.